Being alone is not something to fear. It's an opportunity to discover your true power. For so long, society has conditioned us to think that being alone means loneliness, a sign of weakness, or something to avoid at all costs. We're constantly told that we need to be surrounded by people to feel validated, to feel that we matter, and to feel like we're achieving something. But in reality, solitude is where the most powerful transformation can happen. When you are alone, you are forced to confront yourself. There's no noise from the outside world to distract you. You are left with your thoughts, your emotions, and your experiences. And that's where true strength is built. This time is a gift, an opportunity to reflect, to heal, and to grow. In the solitude, you don't have the approval or disapproval of others influencing your decisions. You can truly hear your own voice, and that voice has the power to guide you toward your personal evolution. This is where the magic happens. You realize you are your own greatest asset. When you're alone, you have the chance to connect with yourself on a deeper level, to break down the walls you've built to protect your vulnerabilities. It's easy to get lost in the noise of the world, to get caught up in the opinions and expectations of others. But when you're alone, you have the freedom to disconnect from the world and focus entirely on what truly matters to you. This isolation isn't about emptiness. It's about clarity. Embracing solitude allows you to tap into your inner resources. You stop depending on others for validation, for motivation, or for direction. You begin to see the beauty of your own potential and recognize that your worth doesn't rely on anyone else's approval. There's power in standing alone. It's in these quiet moments that you realize that the power to create, to dream, and to succeed is already inside of you. You're not waiting for someone to give you permission to rise. You're already rising. When you embrace being alone, you allow yourself the space to grow. Growth doesn't happen when you're constantly surrounded by people telling you what to do, giving you advice, or offering their opinions. Growth happens when you silence the external noise and turn inward. It's in the stillness of solitude that you can hear your heart speak louder, that you can listen to your dreams with clarity, and that you can focus on the changes you need to make to step into your power. Solitude isn't about being isolated from the world. It's about reconnecting with yourself. It's a time to explore your passions, your fears, your desires, and your strengths without interference. It's during these times that you begin to understand your values and your purpose. You learn who you are when no one is watching, when there's no one to impress and no one to compare yourself to. You get to truly know yourself on a deeper level than ever before. You begin to understand the truths of who you are beyond the roles you play in society, beyond what others think of you. This is how solitude becomes a source of strength. You stop looking for external validation and instead you learn to validate yourself. The external world no longer dictates your worth. You realize that your strength, your worth, and your identity are self-determined. When you stop seeking the approval of others, you open up space for your own voice to be heard. You begin to trust yourself more. You start making decisions based on what you truly want, not what others think you should want. When you're alone, you can also confront your fears. Too often we run from the uncomfortable, the unknown, the challenging aspects of life. We keep ourselves surrounded by people and distractions, so we don't have to face what scares us. But when you're alone, you have no choice but to face those fears. And in doing so, you realize that they're not as big as you once thought. They're not as powerful as you once believed. Solitude allows you to examine your fears from a different perspective and to see them for what they really are, opportunities for growth. When we embrace solitude, we stop avoiding the tough questions. We stop running from our emotions. We stop suppressing the very things that need to be addressed. Instead, we open up to those emotions and face them head on. In those moments, we realize that we are capable of handling much more than we think. We are capable of not only surviving, but thriving in the face of adversity. Solitude teaches us resilience because it forces us to rely on ourselves for strength instead of looking to others for reassurance. In this space of being alone, we can also build our vision for the future. We stop being influenced by the expectations of society or the pressure to fit into someone else's definition of success. We have the freedom to dream big without worrying about the judgment or approval of others. This is where the power of solitude becomes clear. It allows us to connect with our own desires and aspirations, not the aspirations that others have for us. We begin to see the world from a different perspective and realize that the future we want to create is entirely in our hands. Solitude isn't a space of weakness, it's the birthplace of creativity. When you're constantly surrounded by others, it's easy to get caught up in their ideas, their opinions, and their ways of doing things. But when you are alone, you have the freedom to think for yourself. You can explore your own ideas without any distractions. This is where innovation, creativity, and breakthroughs occur. Some of the greatest minds throughout history found their inspiration in solitude. It was in their quiet moments alone that they were able to create some of the most significant works of art, literature, and science. By embracing being alone, you free yourself from the need to conform to societal expectations. You are no longer bound by the opinions or judgments of others. You have the space to think freely, to create, and to be yourself without limitation. This is where true self-expression happens. This is where your authentic self emerges. You begin to understand that you are unique, that your story is valuable, and that your voice deserves to be heard. Being alone is not something to fear. It is a space for empowerment. It's a space where you discover your own strength, your own resilience, and your own potential. In solitude, you are not weak or isolated. You are free. Free to explore your passions, confront your fears, and redefine what success means to you. Being alone is an opportunity to reconnect with yourself, to become the person you were always meant to be, and to embrace the power within. When you learn to harness the strength of solitude, you unlock a new level of potential that no external influence can ever take away from you. Solitude provides a unique opportunity for self-discovery. In a world filled with noise, distractions, and the constant pressure to conform, it's easy to lose touch with who you truly are. We live in a society that constantly demands our attention, urging us to be social, connected, and active at all times. But in this constant rush, we often forget to pause and truly look inward. Being alone isn't just about having time to yourself. It's a profound chance to reconnect with your inner self, to examine your values, your desires, and your purpose. When you're alone, you are free from the influences of others. There's no one around to tell you who you should be, what you should think, or what you should aspire to. This freedom is rare in the modern world. We are constantly surrounded by expectations, whether it's from family, friends, society, or even social media. But when you embrace solitude, you can step away from all of that. You can take a step back from the world's noise and allow yourself to simply be, without pressure or judgment. This is a space where self-discovery begins. The process of discovering who you truly are starts when you no longer rely on others for validation. In our everyday lives, we often find ourselves looking for approval from the people around us, whether it's in the form of praise, recognition, or simply the comfort of knowing we're accepted. We sometimes place our worth in the hands of others. But when you're alone, you realize that your value doesn't come from the outside world, it comes from within. This realization is one of the most empowering parts of being alone. It allows you to shed the weight of other people's opinions and start seeing yourself for who you truly are, not who others want you to be. Solitude encourages introspection. Without the noise and distractions, you're forced to look inward. And when you take the time to reflect on your life, your actions, and your goals, you start to uncover things about yourself that you might have been too busy or distracted to notice before. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to follow routines, chase after external achievements, and go through the motions without ever questioning whether you're on the right path. But when you're alone, you have the space to ask yourself important questions like, am I living my life according to my true desires? Or are the choices I'm making aligned with my values? These questions help you peel back the layers and discover the core of who you are. Being alone also allows you to confront parts of yourself that you may have been avoiding. It's easy to run from your fears, insecurities, or past mistakes when you're surrounded by people or distractions. But in solitude, you're faced with yourself. And while that might feel uncomfortable at first, it's necessary for growth. Self-discovery is not always a smooth or pleasant process. It requires honesty, vulnerability, and the courage to face the parts of yourself that you may not be proud of. It's in these moments of solitude that you have the opportunity to heal, to forgive yourself, and to grow beyond your past limitations. When you confront your fears head on, you begin to realize that they no longer have control over you. They're just shadows of the past, and they can be overcome. Another crucial aspect of self-discovery in solitude is the ability to reconnect with your true passions and desires. In the noise of the world, it's easy to lose sight of what truly excites and inspires you. We often get caught up in external expectations and pressures, focusing on what we should do rather than what we truly want to do. But when you're alone, you have the freedom to explore your own interests without external judgment. You can take the time to reconnect with your creative side, rediscover old hobbies, or try new things that you might have put on the back burner. Solitude gives you the space to explore your passions, free from the influence of others. And in doing so, you uncover the aspects of yourself that bring you joy and fulfillment. As you spend time alone, you also begin to develop a deeper understanding of your values. Our values are the principles and beliefs that guide our decisions and actions. In the busyness of life, it's easy to lose touch with what's truly important to us. We get caught up in external pressures, whether it's career ambitions, the desire to please others, or societal standards, and we forget to check in with our own values. But in solitude, you're forced to evaluate your life through the lens of your core beliefs. You start to understand what matters most to you, and this insight becomes a powerful guide for making decisions moving forward. When you live according to your values, you feel more grounded and authentic, and you're more likely to make choices that align with who you truly are. Solitude also helps you break free from the need for constant validation. In a world where likes, comments, and external approval are often equated with success, it can be easy to feel as though your worth is tied to the opinions of others. But being alone teaches you that your value is not contingent on anyone else's approval. You begin to understand that your happiness and sense of fulfillment come from within, not from external sources. This shift in perspective is incredibly freeing. You no longer feel the need to seek approval or validation from others. Instead, you start to cultivate self-love and self-acceptance, recognizing that you are enough just as you are. In these moments of solitude, you also begin to see the world differently. When you're alone, you can step away from the noise and distractions of everyday life and see things from a fresh perspective. You have the space to observe, to reflect, and to understand the world around you without being influenced by the opinions of others. This clarity allows you to make more informed decisions, to understand your place in the world, and to recognize opportunities for growth and change that you might have otherwise overlooked. You begin to see things not through the lens of what others want you to see, but through the lens of your own truth. Furthermore, solitude allows you to tap into your inner wisdom. We all have an innate sense of knowing, a quiet voice inside us that guides us toward the right path. But in the rush of daily life, we often don't listen to that voice. We ignore our intuition in favor of external influences, whether it's advice from others or societal expectations. But when you're alone, you have the time and space to tune into that inner voice. You start to trust your own instincts, your own judgment, and your own decision-making process. This deep connection with yourself is powerful because it allows you to make choices that are aligned with your authentic self rather than being swayed by outside opinions. The process of self-discovery that takes place in solitude is not just about understanding who you are, but also about recognizing your potential. When you spend time alone, you begin to realize that you are capable of achieving great things. You start to believe in your abilities, and you recognize that you have the power to shape your own future. It's in these moments of quiet reflection that you understand the depth of your strength, resilience, and creativity. Being alone gives you the clarity to see your own potential and to take the necessary steps to fulfill it. Ultimately, solitude is not about isolation or being alone in a negative sense. It's about finding yourself in the quiet. It's about discovering the person you were always meant to be, reconnecting with your true desires, and learning to trust and love yourself. Solitude is a tool for personal growth, a space where you can examine your life, confront your fears, and make decisions based on what is truly important to you. In the stillness of solitude, you find the strength to become the best version of yourself. Being alone provides a powerful space for you to find your own path and purpose. In a world that often encourages conformity and following others' blueprints for success, solitude allows you to step back, detach from societal expectations, and tune into what truly matters to you. This time alone gives you the opportunity to break free from external pressures and carve your own unique journey in life, one that is authentic and meaningful to you, not shaped by the norms of those around you. When you're constantly surrounded by others, it's easy to lose sight of your own desires and goals. Whether it's family, friends, or colleagues, there's often an invisible pressure to live up to the expectations of those who care about you, or even those who barely know you. You might find yourself on a path that was laid out for you by someone else, whether knowingly or unknowingly, and in that process, you can easily forget your own aspiration. Being alone offers the gift of clarity. It forces you to turn inward, away from the voices of others, and listen to the desires that live within you. It provides the space to ask yourself, what do I really want in life? What are my true passions? And what is my purpose? These questions often get lost in the noise of everyday life, but solitude allows you to sit with them, to reflect, and to find the answers within. Solitude also removes the distractions that can prevent you from fully engaging with your dreams and goals. The hustle and bustle of daily life, the constant flow of information, and the pressure to keep up with others can cloud your judgment and distract you from what you truly want. When you're alone, you can silence the distractions and focus entirely on your vision for the future. It's in this space of isolation that you can really dive deep into your thoughts, remove the external noise, and find your own direction. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking you need to follow a prescribed path in life, whether it's the traditional route of pursuing a career, getting married, buying a house, or any other milestone that society tells you is normal. But the truth is that these paths don't always align with who you truly are. Society's expectations don't take into account your unique strengths, passions, and desires. It doesn't allow for the personal fulfillment that comes when you pursue what truly excites you. Solitude gives you the courage to step away from the prescribed paths and create your own. It allows you to let go of the fear of not fitting in or being different, and to trust that forging your own way is the most authentic and fulfilling journey you can take. When you're alone, you have the freedom to explore different possibilities. You can experiment with different ideas, projects, and pursuits without worrying about others' judgment. You might try things you've always wanted to do, but have been too afraid to pursue. Or you might rediscover old passions that you've let fall by the wayside. It's in this exploration that you can uncover your true purpose. Solitude gives you permission to take risks, to fail, and to learn from those failures without the fear of letting anyone else down. Through this process of trial and error, you begin to find what resonates with your soul, what excites you, and what drives you. One of the most significant benefits of solitude in finding your path and purpose is the opportunity it gives you to reconnect with your core values. Our values are the principles that guide our actions and decisions, yet they can sometimes get lost in the shuffle of daily life. When we're constantly surrounded by others and their opinions, it can be difficult to stay grounded in our own values. Solitude provides the space to reconnect with what truly matters to you. In silence, you can reflect on your core beliefs and understand the guiding principles that you want to live by. When you align your decisions with your values, you step into your true power. You stop living for the approval of others and start living for your own peace and fulfillment. In this space of being alone, you are also free to define success on your own terms. The world often imposes a narrow definition of success that focuses on material achievements or societal milestones. But when you're alone, you realize that success is a deeply personal concept. It's not about meeting the expectations of others. It's about living a life that feels true to you. Success might look different for each person, and when you have the time and space to reflect, you can define it in a way that resonates with your soul. For some, success may be pursuing a career that aligns with their passions. For others, it may be building meaningful relationships or finding inner peace. Solitude helps you to break free from the pressure to conform to society's definition and find your own version of success. Being alone also gives you the opportunity to heal from past wounds and shed limiting beliefs that may have held you back from pursuing your true path. Often we carry baggage from our past that influences the way we see ourselves and the choices we make. The fear of failure, rejection, or judgment can keep us from taking the necessary steps to create the life we truly desire. Solitude offers the space to confront these fears, to let go of past hurts, and to rebuild yourself from a place of strength and resilience. When you release the negative influences of your past, you clear the path for new opportunities and experiences. You're no longer bound by the weight of what others think or the limiting beliefs that have held you captive. Through this journey of self-discovery, you begin to understand that your purpose is not something that can be defined by others. It's something that you uncover for yourself through reflection, trial and error, and growth. Your purpose is not static. It evolves as you grow and change. Solitude gives you the chance to explore this evolution without interference. It allows you to understand that your purpose may change over time, and that's okay. Life is a dynamic process, and when you're alone, you give yourself the permission to evolve, to follow new passions, and to shift your path when it no longer aligns with who you are. In moments of solitude, you also have the chance to strengthen your resilience. Life is unpredictable, and the journey toward finding your purpose is often filled with challenges, setbacks, and obstacles. When you're alone, you learn how to rely on yourself for strength. You become more resourceful and self-sufficient, and you develop the mental and emotional tools to navigate difficulties with grace and determination. Solitude teaches you to trust yourself, to believe in your abilities, and to understand that even when the road gets tough, you have the power within you to keep moving forward. Solitude allows you to experience the beauty of your own company. It teaches you to appreciate yourself for who you are, not for what you can do for others or what you achieve in the eyes of society. It's a time to celebrate your uniqueness and your individuality. When you're alone, you realize that you don't need anyone else's approval to be happy or fulfilled. Your happiness comes from within, and the more you learn to love and trust yourself, the more confident you become in your own journey. When you embrace being alone, you step into your own power. You stop looking to others for validation or direction and instead trust yourself to guide you toward your purpose. This self-reliance and inner strength are what allow you to carve your own path in life, free from the constraints of societal norms and expectations. Solitude is a gift that enables you to reconnect with your deepest desires and goals, allowing you to live a life that is authentic, fulfilling, and uniquely your own. It's the space where your true potential can flourish, and from this foundation, you can create the life and future that you were meant to have. Being alone provides an invaluable opportunity for personal growth. In a world that often glorifies constant connection and external validation, solitude can be seen as something to be feared or avoided. Yet, it is in the moments of isolation that some of the most profound personal transformations occur. When you are alone, you are free from the distractions and demands. You can truly focus on your inner world and engage with yourself in a way that fosters deep, lasting change. Solitude allows you to look inward and assess where you are in life, what you want to achieve, and who you are becoming. Personal growth requires reflection, self-awareness, and the ability to look at yourself with honesty. It's easy to get caught up in the noise of everyday life, constantly reacting to situations, fulfilling obligations, and seeking approval from others. But when you step away from all of that and spend time alone, you are forced to confront yourself. You can't hide behind the expectations of others. and there's no one around to tell you what to do. This confrontation with yourself can be uncomfortable, but it's also necessary for growth. It's when you have the time and space to reflect on your actions, your behaviors, and your choices that you can begin to make real change. Solitude gives you the opportunity to assess your past, learn from your mistakes, and identify areas where you want to grow. Without the noise of others telling you who you should be or how you should act, you are free to explore your own thoughts and feelings. It's in this space of introspection that you can identify patterns in your behavior or areas of your life that need attention. Personal growth often comes from recognizing where you have been stuck, where you have been limiting yourself, and where you need to make changes. It's about being honest with yourself, acknowledging your weaknesses, and using them as fuel for self-improvement. One of the most significant ways that being alone contributes to personal growth is by giving you the space to develop your emotional intelligence. Emotions are often overlooked in the rush of daily life, but they are an essential part of who we are. When we're constantly distracted by external factors, it can be difficult to truly understand our emotional responses to situations. But when you are alone, you have the opportunity to connect with your emotions on a deeper level. You can observe your feelings, explore their origins, and begin to understand why you react the way you do in certain situations. This self-awareness is a crucial aspect of personal growth because it allows you to manage your emotions effectively, make better decisions, and improve your relationships with others. In solitude, you also learn the importance of self-reliance. Personal growth is rooted in the ability to rely on yourself for strength, motivation, and direction. When you are alone, you are forced to find solutions to your problems, make decisions, and navigate challenges on your own. This builds confidence and resilience, two essential qualities for personal development. You stop looking for others to solve your problems or tell you what to do. Instead, you begin to trust yourself and your abilities. You realize that you are capable of navigating life's ups and downs without needing constant external support. This sense of independence is empowering and reinforces your belief in your own strength. Another key aspect of personal growth in solitude is the opportunity to cultivate self-discipline. When you are constantly surrounded by people, there are often distractions, social events, and other obligations that pull you in different directions. Being alone, however, provides the space to focus on your goals and priorities without outside interference. It allows you to create your own routine, develop healthy habits, and stay focused on what matters most to you. Whether it's working on a personal project, pursuing a new skill, or taking the time to care for your mental and physical well-being, solitude gives you the space to be intentional about how you spend your time. You learn the power of self-discipline and how to stay motivated, even when no one else is watching. In addition to building self-discipline, solitude helps you develop a deeper understanding of your values. Our values are the guiding principles that shape our decisions and actions. When we are constantly influenced by the opinions and expectations of others, it's easy to lose sight of what truly matters to us. But when you are alone, you have the time to reflect on your core beliefs and assess whether you are living in alignment with them. Solitude allows you to reconnect with your values and make adjustments where needed. It helps you create a life that reflects who you truly are, rather than trying to live up to someone else's idea of success or happiness. One of the most transformative aspects of solitude is its ability to foster creativity. In the busy, fast-paced world we live in, it can be difficult to find the time or space to be creative. Our minds are constantly bombarded with information, tasks, and distractions, making it hard to think clearly and innovate. But when you're alone, you have the mental space to think deeply and explore new ideas. Creativity often arises in moments of quiet, when there is no pressure to perform or meet deadlines. Solitude allows you to tap into your imagination and come up with new solutions, ideas, or ways of thinking. Whether it's in your career, your personal life, or your hobbies, solitude nurtures creativity by giving you the freedom to explore without restrictions. Solitude also provides the opportunity to break free from the expectations of others and embrace your true identity. Many of us wear masks in our daily lives, adjusting our behavior to meet the expectations of our family, friends, or colleagues. We suppress parts of ourselves to fit in or avoid judgment. But when you're alone, there is no need for pretense. You can be unapologetically yourself, free from the need to conform. This authenticity is a powerful tool for personal growth because it allows you to explore who you truly are without the fear of judgment. In solitude, you are encouraged to embrace all aspects of yourself, your strengths, weaknesses, quirks, and imperfections, and to understand that your worth is not determined by how others perceive you. As you spend time alone, you begin to recognize the power of self-love and self-acceptance. Personal growth requires the ability to love and accept yourself even when you're not perfect. Being alone gives you the opportunity to work on building a strong, positive relationship with yourself. You stop looking for external validation and start cultivating a sense of worth that comes from within. This shift in mindset is transformative because it allows you to stop seeking approval from others and start living for yourself. When you love yourself unconditionally, you begin to make choices that are in alignment with your true desires and goals, not based on the fear of disappointing others. Through solitude, you also learn the value of patience. Personal growth is not a quick or linear process. It takes time, effort, and consistency to evolve into the person you want to become. When you are alone, you are able to slow down, reflect, and give yourself the time you need to grow. There's no rush, no pressure to keep up with others. Solitude encourages you to be patient with yourself, to trust the process, and to understand that growth takes time. This patience helps you stay focused on your long-term goals and not get discouraged by short-term setbacks or challenges. Finally, solitude provides the chance to develop a deeper sense of gratitude. When you're constantly surrounded by people, it's easy to take things for granted. But when you're alone, you have the space to appreciate the small things in life, the moments of peace, the beauty of nature, the comfort of your own thoughts. Solitude teaches you to be grateful for your own company and for the opportunities you have to grow and improve. This sense of gratitude becomes an essential part of your personal growth, as it helps you focus on the positives in your life rather than dwelling on what you lack. In conclusion, solitude is not something to fear or avoid. It is a powerful tool for personal growth, offering the time and space to reflect, learn, and evolve. When you embrace solitude, you give yourself the opportunity to look inward, develop self-awareness, and create a life that reflects your true desires. Solitude allows you to cultivate emotional intelligence, self-reliance, and self-discipline, while also encouraging creativity, authenticity, and self-love. Through the process of being alone, you can unlock your full potential and become the best version of yourself. Embracing solitude is one of the most powerful ways to foster personal growth. It allows you to confront yourself honestly, explore your emotions, and develop a deeper understanding of who you are. Through solitude, you gain clarity, strengthen your resilience, and find the courage to pursue your own path, free from external influence. It is in these moments of isolation that we are given the gift of transformation, learning to trust ourselves, align with our values, and appreciate the process of growth. Ultimately, solitude empowers you to become the best version of yourself, confident and true to your own journey.